Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm your host, Chef Sahera. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make something simple but sweet and so delicious. Today I'm making a homemade blueberry compote. You can use this on everything from pancakes to cheesecakes. It only takes a few minutes and it only takes a few ingredients. You're going to take a small saucepan and set it over medium heat. You want to add a little bit of water. You want to add your blueberries and some sugar. As the mixture starts to heat up, the blueberries will start to burst and release their juices. You want to continue to stir this. You don't want it to stick to the pan. After about 8 to 10 minutes, your compote should look a little syrupy, and that's perfect for drizzling. I actually like a thicker compote because I'm going to use this on a cheesecake. What you can do to thicken it up a little bit is add a little cornstarch with some water. I just actually found out they call this a slurry when you put your cornstarch with some water. I just been mixing it together. So you want to use a little bit of cornstarch, and you definitely want to combine it with some cold water to prevent lumps. You want to always use cold water with your cornstarch. And we're just going to pour a little bit of that in. If it's too thick for you, as you start to cook it down a little bit more, you want to just add a little more water to it. So now I'm just adding some fresh lemon juice to balance out the flavor. You know your compote is done when it starts to coat the back of your spatula. But that's it, guys. Easy blueberry compote is great for, again, anything from pancakes to cheesecakes. You can put it on toast. It's just a great filling, and it's so easy to make a compote. Just some fruit, some sugar, and a little bit of water for the most part. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Let me know in the comments what you plan on using your compote for. I'd love to hear from you guys. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.